to die a painful death.
There's even a YouTube video about Judge McDonald.
If she can get away with this, the has got to die. The has got to die.
My staff is as a part of their daily routine now looking because it's concerning.
How concerning?
Litigants can essentially come in here and worry that judges are going to feel threatened. Their physical safety is threatened because of a ruling or a decision, and that's not good for anybody.
Recently, Judge McDonald was involved in a case where she had to enforce a mother's agreement to vaccinate her kids after that mother changed her mind. Since the vaccine cases, have the threats against you increased?
Yes.
Now, has any crime been committed? I hope the judge gets shot in the next mass shooting. That's not a crime?
Well, there's certain elements to any crime, and so the elements have to be delivered in particular to the person that's a target of a threat. They have to articulate and be able to show that the threat is something that can be carried out. Translation, no crime has been committed.
I don't even know where these threats are coming from.
You know, we contact a lot of these people sometimes and say, hey, you're right dancing on the edge, but unless there's something that the prosecutor will issue charges on, we're kind of hamstrung.
All right.
Both agree that changes in legislation could be enacted to make those who threaten judges a criminal. The person that said Karen McDonald should have a bullet in her head, is that person a criminal?
I don't think that's the question. I think the question is, should we be doing something as a society that makes our judges feel safe again?
But I'm gonna stand up and say what I think is right, and I don't think this is right. I think that our state legislature needs to take a look at the legislation that members of my bench in Oakland County have been drafting to make it a felony to harass, threaten, of any kind a judge and take it seriously. I think that the Supreme Court Administrative Office and Michigan Supreme Court needs to address this issue because we're hanging out there with no protection right now.